Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll tell you how to do the loudspeaker comparison between the iQOO 3 versus the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a couple of subscribers asking me to compare about the single speaker versus the dual speaker setup in the OnePlus Nord 2. So how much difference we can actually feel between the single speaker versus dual speakers. So that is what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So first let's explore what are the settings option we are having in this kind of sound and vibrations. Let's go to the sound profile. So is the sound profile in both phones, and is there any kind of adjustment for the sound effects or not? That's what I'm going to exactly see. So there's the Hi-Fi audio system. It will only work when you're trying to use the earphones. As you can, that's Hi-Fi audio which is available in this iQOO 3 device. So apart from that, you cannot find any kind of other options here. But whereas in this OnePlus Nord 2 device, you do have the option which is a audio tuner. As you can see, you can actually adjust the audio as well, smart game or music. So right now I'll try to select the music as well in this kind of demonstration. Let's open the application. This is a music player application which I'm going to demonstrate. So first let's start playing the audio from the iQOO 3. Let's see how much the audio we can actually get in the iQOO 3. Then I'll try to continue in the OnePlus Nord 2 as well. So average was maintaining around close to 84 kind of decibels in this iQOO 3 device in terms of the loudspeaker volume. Let's see in the OnePlus Nord 2. So now you can understand, friends, the difference how it is between the OnePlus Nord 2 and the iQOO 3 device. I can definitely understand what your point is, because this is pointing on the top side and the speaker is present in the bottom side. So let's check what is the volume from this bottom speaker. That is what I'm going to exactly compare right now. So even though it has got the single speaker, but still it was able to manage up to 107 decibels as well, sometimes even 108 as well. Let's see the OnePlus Nord 2. As you can see the difference, friends. So even though the iQOO 3 has got the single speaker, but still it was able to perform a little bit kind of better than expected. Now final test is to try playing the audios one by one. So first let's try in the one phone, and then I'll try to play in the other phone, alternate phones. This is the overall loudspeaker comparison between both phones. Definitely the OnePlus Nord 2 feels a little bit kind of more, obviously because of the dual speakers, but you got a clear idea, right? Because between the single speaker versus dual speakers. So that's about my point of making this kind of video, friends. And thank you for watching this video. And in case if you want me to do any other comparison between both phones, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison between these two devices. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video, friends. I'll then straight up for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.